Are you considering adding kettlebells into your bodyweight training, but you're just unsure if kettlebells are worth it in the first place? In this video, I'll share with you why you might want to combine kettlebells with calisthenics. The first point is going to be external load. You can obviously train each muscle group quite effectively in bodyweight training, and it's a beautiful art to be able to train with your own body weight, in my opinion. But if you want to be a more overall developed human being, then it's really smart to actually combine some external load to your training, because that's a very normal aspect of life, to actually deal with external load. So if you carry your groceries, that's an external load you're carrying, or if you're carrying something in front of you, well, that's an external load you're dealing with. So if you only stick to bodyweight training or calisthenics, then you're kind of missing out on that aspect. The next one is going to be lower body training. So obviously you can train your lower body with bodyweight training only, and calisthenics you can get very far with that, but eventually, unless you have the really amazing genetics and you just build muscle like that, well, people like us, we need to have some external load, especially for our lower body eventually. When it comes to bodyweight training, you have a few effective hip hinge exercises, but there's not so many of them. So you will definitely benefit if you also include some weighted hip hinge exercises like Romanian deadlifts or single leg Romanian deadlifts. The next point is going to be weighted calisthenics. Now that ties quite closely into the previous point I just said, but here I'm referring more to weighted dips and weighted chin-ups. For chin-ups and dips, adding extra weight is going to be really awesome, because you can definitely build a lot more strength with extra weight for those two exercises. And you can also obviously build a lot more muscle mass with those exercises as well. So adding extra weight to chin-ups and dips will definitely improve your bodyweight dips and your bodyweight chin-ups as well. And hey, if you get some value from this video, then why don't you go ahead and subscribe to the channel right there for more similar videos in the future. The next point is going to be space uptake. So obviously kettlebells don't take much space at all. So unlike a barbell where you need to have a long barbell with plates, and most likely you need to have a barbell rack as well. Well, with kettlebells, all you need is a floor and the kettlebells, and you can just put them in a corner, won't take much space at all. So therefore it's also a very effective at-home fitness equipment, in my opinion. And the next point is going to be variety. So this is pretty much self-explanatory. I mean, everything we just described is just offering variety into training. In the long run, variety is going to be key in your training, not just mentally to keep it fun and interesting for you, but also in terms of your body having a novel training stimulus. So if you now have bodyweight training, which is amazing, I'm a big fan of that, and then every now and then you combine it with some kettlebell training, well, that's just gonna keep things fresh for your body, and you're gonna keep getting better results in the long run. So now that you know that kettlebells are definitely worth it, you might be interested in finding out if gymnastic rings are worth it. So make sure you have a look at this video right here. And if you got some value from this video, then please go ahead and leave this video a like, it's highly appreciated, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to build a warrior body with primal training. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.